So, man, you tired? You tired, man?
Yeah, man, I'm tired, man. We just finished this
Man, get out the way, Tyree.
video shoot, man. I'm tired. Everybody's tired, but it's a wrap, you know. I feel confident about it, and I know it's going to be good, you know what I'm saying? One sound represent.
Mm-hmm.
Come to the stores near you.
Represent for God.
Oh, yeah. Nothing but God. I'm one of them. The most high.
Alright. Well, here I go.
Video?
Yeah, here I go. Follow me on Facebook, King Ray Mitchell. We just got through with this video shoot. It was a wrap. It was a success. You know what I'm saying? About horse. You know what I'm saying? But first of many to come. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna be on Twitter in a minute too, so
Tell them to follow.
just look out.
Follow us, man.
I ain't got no Twitter yet, but I'm gonna get one. That's Cecil right now. Watch out for Cecil in the video too. That cat, we was trying to shoot video, but watch out for Cecil, man.
Cecil Mack,
something else. Cecil Mack, Cecil Soul, Cecil Mack Soul. One of them like that, but he something else. But
watch out for
watch out for Cecil. One
Why
second.
do you make a video of yourself?